guys, here we go again. This is a early 1920 or so Decker & Son. We're going to take it apart. All the pieces are coming off. Fall board coming out. And then we're going to clean it up a little bit and remove the rest of the parts to start refinishing the cabinet on this piano. Here we have the cheek blocks coming out in just a second and blowing out some of the dust and dirt. Really dusty and dirty underneath. In the bottom of this, you'll see. Broken wire. And then the massive cloud of dust comes out. Alright, once we get all the dust and dirt out of here, we're going to start taking the action out. There's 4 screws on this holding this action in. One, second one, third one, and then the fourth one. We'll unscrew these, tip the action back off the keys, lift it up, take it out. Put the screws back in place so not to lose them. Next thing we're going to do is take these cheek blocks out, and then we'll pull the keys out of the piano. Alright, here we go. It's easier to grab these things at about 4 or 5 keys at a time. Take them over and set them on the workbench. We'll come back to those at the end before we put everything back together. Make sure they're all cleaned and looking pretty. I believe these key tops have already been replaced on this piano as I'm taking it apart. And you notice it has all new bushings down there on the bottom. The piano regulation was just done on this, and all these were set to the proper height before I started taking this apart. So we're going to put some paper and tape over these parts so not to get them dirty as we strip the piano down and start to refinish it. We got one more set of keys to take out. There they are, coming out now. Clean the rest of the dust and dirt out from underneath here. Pick up the little pieces that have been there for years and years. And then we're going to add some tape and some tape. We're going to slow things down here for a sec. Give you a chance to look at the piano as we raise it up. You can see just how damaged the outside of this cabinet really is. And away we go. It's not quite a beautiful balloon, but it is going up. You can definitely see the damage in the sides of this piano, how much of the lacquer has actually peeled and flaked off of it. You can actually see through the lacquer into the wood grain in some spots. And just to finish up, we're going to tape the bottom of the piano to keep all the paint and dust and dirt as we strip this out from the cabinet.